Hey guys, Bruce Solomon here. Once again, I want to welcome you to the Empower Network on behalf of whoever sent you this video. In this tutorial, we are going to show you how to operate your blogging platform. That's going to be one of the main things you're going to be doing every day, and we want to give you a jump start on that and show you a few tips so you can get started ASAP being productive. So we're logged into our back office, and we went under our Get Fast Start Getting training. Presumably you've already done that or you are working on that. And the next thing you're going to do is start blogging. So you go up here to your green tab and you click on that. And this is going to open up your dashboard. This is your WordPress blog dashboard. Okay, we're using a WordPress platform for our blog. Nobody else gets to see this. This is just yours, and you are uniquely logged into this. And if you look up here, it says WordPress admin. So that lets you know that you're in here, and this is where only you have access to. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is just look at our blog. I went through and deleted everything on my blog so I can show you this from scratch so you didn't get confused, and we can show you exactly what you're going to see. So to view your blog after you make some posts and do some things, you just go right up here to visit site and click on that. And here you are. This is your blog, okay? This is what you're going to be sending people to. And by default, this is what you're going to see. You're going to have a banner ad up here, a banner there, and a banner here. And every single one of those, if you click on it, if somebody that visits your site clicks on it, all go to your lead capture page, okay? So this is what you guys funneled in through. They sign in your email, and then they go through the sales funnel, and they go see the videos, and that's how this works. And so this is already done for you. That's how powerful this is. Everything's done for you, and all you got to do is start blogging. Well, here's where your blog posts are going to land, and this is a first blog post. David's got one in there already for you, but once you start posting, it's going to shove that down, and then you'll start going. So the first thing people always ask me, say, Bruce, I want to change my picture to my own picture, and I want to learn how to post a blog post, and also I want to be able to post my own banner ad. You know, I've got my own company. Maybe I have affiliate products. Maybe I have a network marketing company. Maybe I have a brick and mortar company that I want to promote, and I want people that come to my blog to see that I have a flower shop or a coin store, or well, you name it. I don't care. Whatever. You can promote anything over here. So we're going to teach you how to put a banner here as well. And those are about the main steps everybody is wanting to learn how to do first off. And if you just get those down, the rest of this stuff will come really easy and over time. So the first thing you're going to do is you want to make a blog post. And right here, this is where you enter a title to whatever your post is, the content. So if you just do a text post, just enter the text there. And this is the tag. So these are your keywords. So say if this post was on chocolate chip cookie recipe, this was a chocolate chip cookie recipe, and I was talking about chocolate chip cookies in here and the recipe in here, and then your tags would be chocolate chip cookie recipe. You know, a few tag words that would guide the search engines when somebody types in chocolate chip cookie recipe on a search engine. Well, it goes out and looks for posts that are similar to those keywords. Well, that's what it looks at here, and it also looks at your keywords, those same keywords it's looking for in your blog post. So you want to make sure your blog post has those same keywords in it. And you're going to learn that later on down the road. But just in a nutshell, this is where you're going to make your blog post. And then you're going to push publish. And then it'll publish to your blog page like we saw. Okay? So, and we're going to do a post here in a minute. But first what we're going to do is go change your personal profile picture. So let me collapse this. Well, we're going right here at appearance and themes. So you got all these menu items here, okay? There's a bunch of different things you can go poking around here and check out. But you need to go to appearance and themes, click on that, and then this drop down will come down, and you're going to go to home photo, and you're going to click on home photo. And there's the current home photo that's in that spot. Well, you want to put your own there, so you're going to go choose file, and then you're going to look for a folder on your computer where you've saved a picture of yourself that you want up there, or whatever picture you want up there. And you're going to find it. Now, what you're going to notice is I'm going to put this one up here. But you can see the size of it's 2600 by 2634 by 2670. That's a very large photo. The ideal size is around 265-ish plus or minus, right in that range. That'll fit in that spot nicely. So if your photo is too large, go into whatever photo program you have and figure out how to resize your photos, and then get it down to more of the 265-ish range by 265, okay? So I'm going to select this photo here, And you also want it in the JPEG format. And so I'm going to go over here and push upload. And now it has uploaded my photo. And sometimes you may or may not see it here. It just depends right away, because sometimes this isn't working exactly properly, but it'll be there, trust me. Okay, and then in order to view this, I'm going to show you, to circumvent this frustration, you're going to go, oh, I want to go check out my photo. And you're going to go up here, and you're going to go view site, and you're going to go, oh, wait a minute, my photo's not there. And you're going to go up and refresh your page, and you're going to go, oh, it's not working. Well, because your cache on your computer has cached this current information, you just need to close your blog out completely, okay? And then refresh or reopen your blog, starting from your green button, and then go back up here to visit site. And then once you go there, guess what? Bingo, now your picture is going to show, okay? So before you get frustrated and you don't think it's working, close your blog out and reopen it. For every change you make and you want to view, make sure you go through that step if it's not populating for you, okay? Because that's just settings on your computer that are making that happen. Okay, so that's how you change your picture, folks. We've done that part so far, okay? So we've got that done. You come to Appearance and Themes, come to Home Photo, and then you upload your new photo. Okay, now we're going to move on to our first blog post, okay? And I'm going to show you two different methods of putting videos on your blogs. And I'm doing this because a text post is pretty obvious, right? You just put title, enter some text, tag it, then publish it. Pretty self-explanatory. Well, now we're going to put a video on here, and I'm going to show you two dramatic differences in two ways you can do this. So the first one we're going to do is we're going to go Empower Network number 1. Okay, so that's the name of our first post, Empower Network number 1. And I want to put a video on here. So you go up here and go, oh, add video. Well, let's go add a video, and then it prompts you to do what? Oh, from my computer, so you can upload one from your computer, or from a URL. Oh, okay. Well, let's go. Oh, I've got one on YouTube, so let's go do that. So you go to YouTube, and here's your video or any video you want to promote on your website. Maybe there's some crazy funny video that you want to promote. You can do that too. So anyway, whatever it is, you go to YouTube, and they have this underneath the video. It has this option to share it. If you click on that, what opens up is a link right here. You can copy and share that with. So we're going to go ahead and go do that for this post here. So we're going to do that, paste, and then we're going to go ahead and name it Welcome to Empower Network. Okay, we'll name it that. All right, and so we're going to push insert post. Okay, so now what it did is it just took that code and it took the name and it inserted it here. And you can go ahead, and if you want to click and tab this down and start writing text up here, you can do that, or you can do it below that, and you can add text. So you can add, Dave will always counsel you on 500 to 700 word text along with a video too. So you can do that there on either place, and you tag it with your keywords, right? When we're talking about keywords, we talked about that a minute ago. And then when you're done with that, you push publish, and there you go. It's published, folks. Now we're going to do method number 2, and this is my preferred method, and I'll show you why. We're going to do, let's see if I got that retained here. No. Okay, Empower Network. Okay, and this is the post number 2. All right, I want to do that same video, okay, but I'm going to do it in a different fashion. Rather than using this code, I'm going to go right here to this button that says embed. And when you click that, it's opening up an embed code for me. And I'm going to copy this. And then we're going to go back to our blog, and we're going to paste this right in there. Rather than going through this step, we're just going to paste it right there. And this is an embed code. And again, you can go up here and add some more jazz below or above, whatever you want to do, just like we talked about before. You're going to go ahead and tag it with your keywords down here, and then you're going to publish it again. Okay? So now we are going to go look at that on our site. Now, I'm going to go ahead and, well, let's just see if it populated. Yes, it did. Okay, so here we are at our site, and there's our 2 posts, right? Well, I want you to check this out. So post number 1, the very first one we did, if we click on this, see here you got, an explanation here. That's what we typed in. And then if I want to go further, more information, I can go right here, right? And so now this is that post by itself, just on its own page, okay? And what you're going to notice here is there's whatever the text I had. Well, if I want you to watch the video, you got to go click on this link, and then we'll look what happens. It goes to YouTube. So you just took. Let me pause that. So you just took somebody off your blog and funneled them over to YouTube. Well, heck, you want to keep them on your blog, right? So let's go back and look at what. Now we're back on our home page here. And so this is all our posts here. So here's our second post, okay? Well, this is method number 2. And watch what happens here. When I open this up, we're on its own page now, but look what just happened. We've got the video embedded right on our blog page. So now, you can, now when they watch the video, look at that. They're watching it right on your web page, and they're still seeing all your banner ads, whatever else you got to promote here. They're not leaving your web page. So you got your text up here, and you said whatever you said. Maybe below it you said some more. But this video is sitting right here for them to watch while they're on your web page. Okay, well then they can like this. There's an option to like this right here, and that will post right on their Facebook page. And when somebody clicks on that link, it's going to take them to your blog to watch the video rather than YouTube. Or if you're posting this somewhere else other than Facebook or something, you can go up here to your URL bar. After you open this post, so you click on here and expand this post, and now you can see how it's just its own post on one page. Okay. Well, if you go up here to this URL bar and just copy this address, copy it, and then you paste that, I don't know, paste it on another blog or on an article you wrote or whatever, and you're trying to direct people to watch this video, rather than using that YouTube code in your post, paste this URL in your post, and when they go to watch the video, they're going to land right on your blog and watch it right here, rather than going to YouTube. And so now again, you're funneling people to your blog rather than sending them to YouTube. Okay, so that's the reason I use method number 2 over method number 1. It's very powerful. So just pasting the embed code right here rather than using this is going to allow you to keep people on your blog. Okay, so I need to get through this quick because we're running out of time here. So now we're going to go back down here. We're going to show you how to post a banner ad. So we go to widgets again. And all these are options that you can drag over here and use, okay? We're going to go to text, arbitrary text only HTML. And the way you add a new one of these fields over here is just drag it over and drop it. And now it's in there. Okay, so you can title this if you want, and then you have the option of pasting your code for your banner in here. Well, I already have a sample banner code right here. I didn't want to promote any of my products while you guys are showing this to your other people, so I just used an Empower Network. So I'm going to copy this. Now this is a HTML code that I know works for this banner, and that's what you guys will have to get from your affiliates or wherever if you're creating your own banners or copying others. You'll have to have that HTML code. Then you're going to go in here and just paste it, and then you're going to click Save, and you are done. And now you can close this, and so that sits right there, it resides right there. Now we're going to go back and view our site again, and if you scroll down here, that didn't work. We got to close it all out so I can see it, and I'm going to reopen this, and we are going to view our site, and there you have it. There's your banner ad right here. I can click on that because I have it set up properly. It's taking me right to my lead capture page for Empower Network. And that's how you post banner ads to advertise whatever you want over here. Okay, if you don't like it, if you want to change it, or if you want to add to it, you go back over here to widgets. You go to text. Now you can add another one down here. Just space it here with this break symbol right up here. If you just put that there, it'll put a space in between. You can add another one, or you can drag another box over, however you want it. But if you don't want that anymore at all, just delete it. And then we're going to close this. I'm going to reopen the blog. And we are going to view site again, and you will see that it is no longer there. So I hope that really helped you get started with your blog. I know that was awfully quick. I got to keep this video short for YouTube. But that's, in a nutshell, how you're going to operate your blog, and you can be successful getting started here. And if that's all you did, you'll do well. So once again, thank you very much, and I look forward to seeing you. Bye-bye.